Hi everybody, Botany Babe 08 here, and today I'm going to do a video which I just got inspired to by studying for a test that I had today. It's addressing this video that I did called Direction and Evolution Part 2, which was a response to, I can't say his name so I'm not going to try because apparently I butcher it really badly. Anyways, he was nice enough to post a video response trying to answer my questions, and I asked why all the complexity basically when being a single-celled organism seems to be working really well for bacteria. I mean, I was thinking about it. I said, not mistakenly, but it seemed to be confusing for a lot of people. I stated in my video that I thought that based on certain assumptions and certain categories, that bacteria and single-celled organisms were the most successful in the world, in the earth, organisms on earth. And that's based on completely arbitrary things. I said basically because of the biomass and because of the speciation that they were the most successful. But people, you have to realize that there's no such thing as a more successful or less successful creature, because every creature is a combination of positive and negative adaptations, and these adaptations are a unique blend for each species, and in each species' own environment and own niche, that these are the best suited mutations and combinations of everything, all the mutations. So there's no such thing as a better or worse species. Put human in the thermal vents down in the Marianas Trench, and I wouldn't survive. So I'm not very well adapted. But a bacterium down there could survive. So they're better adapted to that specific environment, to their own niche. Okay, so I wanted to clear that up. So there is no ladder of evolution. It's a branching tree. And all creatures are a combination of positive and negative adaptations, and each are uniquely adapted to their own environment. Okay, so why am I still talking about this? Well, okay, I was studying for my exam, well, it was a test, and I come across Darwin. I'm so stupid. If I have questions, you go straight to the source. Go back to Darwin. So I was reading Darwin, and then I realized, hello, there is no drive to complexity. That is like one of the basic assumptions that Darwin made. Like the basic product of natural selection. Everything's blind, mutations are blind, random. And so therefore there's no drive to complexity. There is only not even a drive, but as the environment changes, organisms and species have to change with it. Right? To be better adapted and to exploit environmental changes. So there is no drive to complexity. What it is the ever-increasing exploitation of new niches. So birds have wings because they have their niche is flight in the sky. Anteaters have long noses because their niche includes eating ants, and that helps them. So it's not a drive to complexity. It's almost like we're expanding, like the tree of life is growing out, and everything is just taking advantage and filling up more and more niches. And if the environment so happens to destroy that niche, then in most cases I think that the organism will go extinct. Okay, so I just was guess this is answering my own question, but I just wanted to say that I came across this and I thought about it, and this is what I thought. So, the moral of the story is Darwin walks. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later, and have a good night. Bye.